Hi, and thanks for taking a look at Secure Code Warrior. My name's Laura Jilke, and this video will be just a few minutes of overview of our secure code training platform and how companies use us to help upskill their developers. We are a SaaS-based platform that you can log into from any modern browser. And our mission here at Secure Code Warrior is to help bridge the knowledge gap between developers and their secure coding skills by giving them hands-on practice, finding and fixing vulnerabilities. You can think of our platform kind of like a gym. We have a lot of different options for languages that you can train in. Over 40 different languages and frameworks are available with over 5,000 total challenges. So everything from web and mobile to API-related content, and even infrastructure as code like cloud formations and Kubernetes. So when I go into a specific language to work on training, I'll be able to pick what vulnerability I'd like to learn more about here in our self-paced practice area. We've wrapped in some gamification in the platform, so I can select what country I'm from and work my way through missions and even see how my score so far compares with my coworkers inside of my company. When I go into a mission, I'll be presented with a simulated IDE and these code snippets that we've written that we have seeded with vulnerabilities. So in this particular scenario, I need to find the 2 vulnerable blocks of code that are contributing to a cross-site scripting vulnerability. So my task is to scroll through these yellow markers and determine which of these is responsible. And if I need some assistance, I can take hints from the platform. So your developers that are familiar with these concepts are rewarded and can move through a challenge more quickly and also get maximum points. But if I need some help, I can learn as I go and immediately apply these concepts. Our first hint will be a short video, usually 1 to 3 minutes, about the vulnerability. And then we'll talk about what to look for in the code construct. And if needed, I can even start to use some process of elimination. So we're not trying to make this easy, we're trying to make it attainable. And as a way to balance effort versus knowledge, you do lose points as you take additional hints. So developers are incentivized over time to improve both their accuracy and confidence levels. Once I've found my vulnerability, I'll get feedback on why that code is in fact has issues, and then move on to the next stage of a challenge where I'll scroll through different solutions to determine which one is the best way to fix this code. And interestingly, our accuracy rates on finding a vulnerability are quite a bit higher than finding the right solution. So developers seem to have more confidence seeing what's wrong than knowing how to actually make things correct. We have some different options just for view friendliness and to fit people's styles to adjust your view here. And again, I can take hints if I want some support and feedback on why certain solutions are not the best fit. At any time, developers can contact our product team to get feedback or help understanding a question if they aren't sure of why the answer was what it was. So here, I'll go ahead and give solution 1 a try, and I got it correct. So you can see I got substantially more points by being able to solve this problem on my own and feedback on why this was the correct answer. So earlier I compared our platform to a gym. Think of training as the free weights section where you can go and pick whatever you'd like to work on. But most of our customers will create courses, which are more like your personal trainer telling you, here's exactly what you need to finish. You can create a course on, say, the OWASP Top 10 in a variety of language flavors to make it simple for you to build templates internally and gives developers still that very tailored experience when they're going through their training. Great way to track for compliance that people have finished all of their required items. And then lastly here, tournaments are how we really ramp up the gamification factor. So if training is my free weights and courses is my personal trainer, this is the competition where I can compete against my peers People are able to pick the language of their choice. So we have Java Spring developers competing against .NET and Ruby, and they'll go through levels to score points based on getting questions correct. We'll often recommend giving out prizes to your top 3, or maybe badges or challenge coins internally, something to reward and recognize people. So those code review style challenges are the foundation of what we do and can be packaged in a few different ways to give your developers some different activities and experiences throughout the year and keep these concepts top of mind. If you'd like demo access to do some exploring, you can go to our website, which is securecodewarrior.com, and contact us there. Thanks, and we look forward to speaking with you.